Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You have the video and subtitle open. Start adjusting now. First, confirm the subtitle track is active and visible. Then open Tools and choose Track Synchronization to expose the subtitle delay field. Enter a rough value in milliseconds to shift captions forward or backward, or use the hotkeys H and G for quick +/50 ms steps while the video plays. This immediate feedback shows how much shift you need before refining. Make sure audio sync remains your reference point. Once you have a rough offset, refine by focusing on short dialogue sections. Use H and G for conservative 50 ms adjustments and pause play to inspect lip movement against captions. For larger fixes, input exact milliseconds in track synchronization. Positive values delay subtitles, negative values advance them. Make multiple small corrections across the video to ensure consistency. If timing drifts over time, note where drift begins so you can handle variable rate issues later. Keep testing until each line hits the speaker's mouth. Finalizing, remember VLC applies shifts only during playback, so export a permanent subtitle by opening the SRT in Subtitle Edit or a text editor and applying the same millisecond shift, then save. Alternatively, remux subtitles into the container with MKV tool Nix for embedded playback. If you still see progressive desync, check for variable frame rate video, convert to constant frame rate, or retime the SRT based on timestamps. Quick troubleshooting tip: if delay changes over time, suspect VFR and convert the video before resyncing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.